Yes, right. AS pure maths gas paper, right? Okay, so when we are talking about the gas paper of P1, since a lot of topics have been added like the circular equation of circle, so we will start off with that. This February, March, question number 12 and 9. These two, look at them, right? One is of circle. So I have specially elaborated these. We have May, June 2015, question number 1, 2 and 10. Please pay attention to them. I have told my students, I have practiced with them, so please pay attention to this special. 5, 7 and 9. Then we have October, November 13. So if you look at this paper, some of the questions have been repeated from the 16 and 17. So please pay attention to this. 1, 8 and 10. Vectors question is the one which I am expecting most important from this paper. Okay, vectors question. This is the most important. Then we have May, June 18. From May, June 18, 12. Question number 3, 4 and 8. These are the important questions. Okay. From 9709 11 October, November 18. Only question number 11. Kindly, sir, please practice these questions, at least these questions. Okay, May, June 20, 11. Paper 11, May, June 20. Okay, look at this paper. We have to look at two questions, 10 and 11. Again, one is of circle because I think so. Similar question would be repeated. Okay, so what I have basically told you when we are talking about AP and GP, something related to percentage question, like one is of compound interest, the other is of different. It used to come previously in the examinations, but in the meantime, in the few years till 2015, it was stopped. Now it has again started to erupt. These questions are again coming, right? Circle must question of circle. So one question is of circle, right? Along with AP, GP related to percentage. Then we have one question is of vectors. Vectors I have already mentioned which vectors I am expecting. That one. Okay. Now when we talk about coordinate geometry, I have mentioned the questions of coordinate geometry as well, and area of shaded region and the revolution 360-degree revolution that the question has been asked. So especially I have marked those questions in each of the papers. I hope best of luck for the exams. Please pay attention to these questions. These are the ones which have been like quite changed by the examiner in the recent past. So I hope that you pay attention to this. Okay, especially these questions. Okay, this is the end of this session.